Okay, making these videos as we get time in between. Now what I'm showing you are these lovely linen dupattas, and there are 4 colors available in it, all with karwa weave, all with gold zari. Now let's make this one. This is the first one, which is the lavender. It's very beautiful, but what I do have with this is a dyeable white linen fabric, and it looks as amazing as this. That's the goal. I'm just showing it to you. It's a big nice buta. You can see that it looks very good, in fact, worn with white and then these colorful dupattas. But if you'd like, we can definitely dye it too. Now there you go, that's with the yellow and the gray. So there you go, this is the gray. Each of these dupattas 18,800. This fabric is 4,800 per meter. I love the peach as well, so pick up any. These are the colors available in linen. Now apart from that, what we do have is this premium cotton, and you can see that just that touch of red which makes all the difference. With it we have these beautiful dupattas, and look at that, this is 12,800 for the dupatta. Now if you'd like just a plain red fabric in our premium chanderi soft one, which is really good, then it would be about 17,000 something for the entire suit, 5 meter plus dupatta. Or you go like this, which is of course a little more dressier. One more color option in it is this, and it's this, just this touch of pink, which I think it's really nice and fun. Look at that, just a pop. And iske saath bhi matching dupatta hai, which is this one, which also looks very good. It's perfectly matched. I'm going really close so that you can see it, and it looks very pretty. The whole thing, there's a border which you must use, and wear a pink border. Now the final part of this is this very lovely combination, and let me just show it to you like this. It's this wonderful meenakari fabric. This is the backside folded, that's why you see this. So I'm going to open it up. But what is the value addition, the whole look, I'm going to now show it to you. Look how amazing that is. Now this fabric zarur mehenga hai, more than this fabric, but I think it looks so good together, and it's black, so then you can wear it with another, like just a nice bottom to have with other looks. So look at that, this okay, and then what you have is this very beautiful dupatta in organza. I think the whole look so gorgeous. I'm going to try showing it to you all together. That's your look, and then this dupatta along with it, which is organza with handwork. It's very elegant. I'm going to show it to you like this. See this, there you go. That's the dupatta, the beautiful colors right here, all the handwork. So amazing look as a 3-piece, which I want to show you like this. So dressy handwork dupatta. Ab isi ka dusra version I want to get the dupatta back, but first I want to show you this color, and then we're going to open it up like this. There you go. The dupatta comes back because it's something that works with both the looks very, very well. So there you go. That's the dupatta. It is super graceful just because of this touch of handwork and this neutral color. You can wear it with many looks. And then we will get the bottom, because isme bhi hum yahi bottom denge in this. So you can see that the whole 3-piece look, and I think it looks absolutely fabulous. We can dye it if you want in the peach, but even like a nice gold bottom to have. Really good. Hope you like this video.